Hi everyone, welcome to SSR classes. Today talking about the representation of root 6.8 on number line. So today representing root 6.8 on number line. So before starting the video, please subscribe channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so first of all, drawing a line of any length here, and this is AX line. Okay, next taking a length 6.8 by scale, so this is 6.8 centimeter, so this is B point. Next, marking the numbers on the line from B to X. Okay, so marking the line here. Okay, next this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and this is C point. Next, having to bisect the line AC, so taking greater than half of AC and drawing an arc by this way, so bisecting the line AC. Next, joining this and which bisect at a point O. Next, taking the distance OA and OC and drawing a semicircle through the point A and C. Okay, and next drawing a 90-degree angle on the point B, so joining this which made the semicircle at a point D. Next, joining this. Now taking the length BD by compass and drawing a arc which cut the number line at a point. So this is the representation of root 6.8. so this is root 6.8. now roughly discuss the calculation of root 6.8. so given AB equal to 6.8 cm, BC equal to 1 centimeter, so AC equal to 6.8 plus 1 equal to 7.8 centimeter. So the radius OA, OB and OC and OD equal to 7.8 by 2, so this is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, next OB equal to OC minus BC and putting the value of OC and BC, and this is 2.8 centimeter. Next, right angle triangle OBD, we can write BD equal to root over OC square minus OB square. So putting the value of OC and OB and applying a formula A square minus B square equal to A plus B, A minus B. So sorry, this is 9, this is 9. Okay, extremely sorry. So this is 9, 2.9, so 3.9 minus 2.9. okay, so from this 6.8 and this is 1, so 6.8. okay, so therefore BD equal to VP equal to root 6.8 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment my video. Thanks for watching.